gather all of you here today on this bittersweet occasion. I find it hard to say goodbye to such amazing people in my life. Our relationship began from being a stranger and gradually formed a friendship that have grown like a family. The laughter, the rants, and the unforgettable moments that we have shared. And those will be always my source of happiness. All of you have motivated me and inspired me to move forward, endure challenges, and to never stop dreaming. Well, the time has come now that we have to part ways and say our goodbyes. I am both happy and sad that we are now separating and stepping into the new chapter of our life. It might be hard for me to accept, but this is how we grow more as a person. But you know, I am so glad that our paths have crossed and I get the chance to witness how amazing you guys are. And to end this, I would say that this is not exactly a goodbye, but rather a see you later. No matter where life takes us, our friendship, our bonds will remain the same. And that I will always cheer and support all of you, no matter the time, place, and the situation. I wish for a successful and bright future for all of you. Now, let's celebrate this journey that we have shared and let us hope for a better and bright tomorrow. Thank you.